Right now, inside every cell of your body, thousands of tiny molecular machines are reading your DNA and building you, protein by protein. This process is called protein synthesis. It's how your muscles grow, your wounds heal, and your brain thinks. Get it wrong? Cancer. Get it right? Life. Let's break it down. It starts in the nucleus, the cell's control room. Your DNA is a master blueprint, but it never leaves the nucleus. So the cell makes a copy. That copy is called messenger RNA, or mRNA. Here's how. An enzyme called RNA polymerase latches onto your DNA, unzips it, and reads one strand. It builds a matching mRNA strand using complementary bases. A pairs with U, G pairs with C. Yes, RNA uses uracil instead of thymine. Remember that. This mRNA is then edited. Junk sequences called introns are cut out. Useful sequences called exons are kept and spliced together. The final mRNA strand is your working instruction manual. It exits the nucleus through nuclear pores. Now the real building begins. The mRNA travels to a ribosome, the cell's protein factory. Ribosomes read the mRNA in chunks of 3 bases called codons. Each codon is a code for one specific amino acid. There are 20 amino acids. Think of them as 20 different Lego bricks. Enter transfer RNA, tRNA. Each tRNA molecule carries one amino acid and has an anticodon, a 3-base tag that matches a codon on the mRNA. When it's a match, the amino acid gets added to the growing chain. The ribosome moves along the mRNA codon by codon, initiation, elongation, termination. When it hits a stop codon, it releases the chain. That chain is a polypeptide, a raw protein. The whole translation of one protein? Sometimes under 60 seconds. A flat chain of amino acids isn't a protein yet. It has to fold. The sequence of amino acids determines the shape. Hydrogen bonds, hydrophobic forces, ionic interactions, they all pull and push the chain into a precise 3D structure. Helper proteins called chaperones assist in this process and prevent misfolding. Shape equals function. A misfolded protein is useless, or worse, toxic. Misfolded proteins are linked to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and type 2 diabetes. This is not abstract biology, this is life and death chemistry. Once folded correctly, the protein is shipped to wherever the body needs it. So here's the full picture. DNA becomes mRNA through transcription, mRNA becomes a polypeptide chain through translation, and that chain folds into a working protein. Your body runs this process in trillions of cells, every second, producing over 2 million different protein types. Enzymes, antibodies, hormones, structural materials, all from the same 2-step molecular system. Protein synthesis isn't just biology. It's the engine of life itself.